Using Script for Jira, you can also get the list of archived projects. Now, I received a question on community, Atlassian community, about how to get a list of all the archived projects, and it is not really difficult at all. In fact, in one of my videos, I shared a script to get a list of all the projects in Jira instance. And let me show you the script first. So this is the script, and the script is simply using the project manager. And if you look at the script itself, it is nothing but going through this project manager list, and this is nothing but a list of or I should say this project manager.get projects is something that will give you the list of all the projects, and then you can iterate over this list. And for each and every item in the list, you can fetch the key, you can fetch the issue types, or whatever you want to. And if I run the script, let me run the script as well. So you can see here that we have, I'm looking at the log tab, but you basically have all the projects, and I have basically printed in log the issue types, and I believe the admin, project admin, and I believe component as well. It is not really applicable for all the projects, but wherever applicable, it will return the issue types and what else? What else do we have here? The components, project lead, versions, and category, if there is a category. So doing the same thing for archive projects is not really a difficult thing to do. It is just a small change that we have to do in the script. So right now I have one project which is archived. Let me just archive one more project, maybe marketing campaign. Why not? Let us do that. So it is telling us that if you archive the project, it will no longer appear in the usual places, but we'll keep it safe for you. You can always find it in the archive projects and restore it there. Issues will be read-only and can be accessed via a direct link. Projects data will be removed from the index, so Jira can perform better. So I think that is the whole idea. And if in case you don't know, this particular feature is there only for the data center version of Jira. So what we can do now, we can go back to the script, and right now we have two projects. Now I can run the script again, but before I run it, I will simply change this method from get projects to get archived projects, and that is it really. If I run this now, it will give us the list again, but only for the two projects. There is also one more flag. Let me just show you very quickly. If I do it.archived, it is a Boolean flag that will basically tell you if this particular project is archived or not. So one more way of finding it out, I can go to the log again, and you will see that this is true. So this is something that I wanted to quickly share, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.